Prime Minister Narendra Modi has set out at the Congress-run Telangana government. Prime Minister Modi has said that environment is under threat in the state of Telangana. Prime Minister has also said that the Congress is destroying forests systematically in the state. The Prime Minister has accused the Congress party of a model that has exposed the row over deforestation of 400-acre land. This is the claims of deforestation near Hyderabad campus. Congress has countered the points to BJP. In fact, the Congress party has said that in Chhattisgarh, 92,000 trees have been raised, but the BJP has not been talking about it.
साथियों, तेलंगाना की कांग्रेस सरकार भी जनता से किए वादे भूल गई है। वहां कांग्रेस, वहां की सरकार जंगलों पर बुलडोजर चलवाने में व्यस्त है। प्रकृति को नुकसान, जानवरों को खतरा, यही है कांग्रेस की कार्यशैली। हम यहां कचरे से गोवर्धन बनाने के लिए मेहनत कर रहे हैं और वो बने बनाए जंगलों को उजाड़ रहे हैं। यानी सरकार चलाने के दो मॉडल आपके सामने हैं। एक तरफ कांग्रेस का मॉडल है जो पूरी तरह झूठ साबित हो चुका है, जिसमें सिर्फ कश्मीर कुर्सी के बारे में सोचा जाता है।
The Prime Minister of India is the Dhritarashtra of India today. He wants to establish negativity on Congress-ruled governments. In Telangana, CM Revanth Reddy implementing lot of development and welfare activities in the ground. But he want to establish that he is the bulldozer CM. He wants to comment on Telangana government only or Congress ruled government only. So today Modi most jealous PM of India, but we don't care about the PM of India. Why? Because he is a PM of the BJP governments only.
My colleague Uma Sudhi joins us with more details on this. Uma, you've been tracking the land row, the protest by Hyderabad University students as well. Tell us the importance of what the Prime Minister said today and how is it going to play out in the politics of Telangana, given that this has been a hot button issue in the last few days.
So the Prime Minister was in Yamunanagar, Haryana on the occasion of Ambedkar Jayanti, and there he was inaugurating not just a thermal power plant, 800 megawatt Deen Bandhu Choturam thermal power plant, and also a biogas, compressed biogas plant as well. And he was also inaugurating certain other infrastructure projects, and that's when he made the reference to a Congress model and a BJP model of governance. And he said that in fact the Congress had in a sense betrayed Ambedkar and had they had let him down at multiple occasions, he said, and that's when he drew a comparison between the Congress-ruled states and the BJP-ruled states. And while he said that in Haryana, for instance, there has been a double speed of working of the double-engine government, whereas he says in Himachal as well as Karnataka and Telangana, the Congress is disappointed the people. The words that he used is that they were only after power and that their governance was based on lies, whereas the BJP governance, he said, was based on truth. And it is in that context that he said that here, while we are inaugurating a Gobardhan project is about getting gas or energy, green energy from the organic resources. It's a 2,800 metric ton project that he had inaugurated, and he said that while we are trying to create wealth out of organic waste, on the other hand, he drew a contrast to Telangana and said that they had raised forests by sending in bulldozers there and harming both plant life as well as animal life, and therefore he said that that is why he believes that the Congress was only after power and therefore was indulging in these kind of tactics. Of course, there has been retorted to by Congress MLC, Mr. Addanki Dayakar, who is also a spokesperson for the party, who in fact accused Mr. Modi of being only a PM of the BJP-ruled states, and therefore he said we don't care about something like this. He said he is a very jealous PM is what the counter-attack on the part of the Congress on the Prime Minister, saying that in fact he gave an example as well in Chhattisgarh, saying that huge amounts of tracts of land had been deforested there, whereas Prime Minister Modi was talking about the Kanche Gachibowli land here, which has of course been in the news recently and has caused quite a bit of concern throughout the country, including with the Apex Court for having cleared land or land of vegetation on about at least 100 acres. Back to you.